Mama, you are not supposed to be eating dry yam under this hot sun. Why now? We are not that poor, Mama. Please, take this money, buy food stuff and prepare something good for yourself. Please.
Odinaka, how many times have I told you to stop wasting your time trying to give me money? I will not take money from you until you start a legitimate job. Do you hear me?
Mama, it's hard to get a legitimate job in this country. It's hard. Do you think I enjoy what I do? No. At the road street, no inside this street. But man must work. Mama, please, stop.
If you can't get a legitimate job, like I said, then eat your money alone. But let me remind you something. You are my only surviving son. My son, it will be good you stay away from the street and seek a better life elsewhere.
Nigga no hold back, but he dey like this. So say they enter all this Dubai, they enter like Italo. See now, I be like tree where they no plant well. Still they grow. All I know be say, Oluwa must pick call for street one day. Street must pay. I dey here they wallow in penury with my sisters. They get mind. They do anyhow. What's up? Monitoring spirit. What's it? Huh?
Brother, what kind of a brother are you? If you're the Madiroma or Diroma at all, we go out there hawking and begging for money, only for you to come home from God knows where and still take the little money we used to feed. It's not good now, brother.
You know what they save you, eh? When I take day. And because say when I look you, they resemble your face, they resemble mama. If no be a man, one mwogi salam na mwogi bumbolo. Bonyala. Ngozi come for nukoku.
Oga, all these things you just said, serious story. In fact, days by moonlight. What am I even saying? I saw some money in your pocket last night. Give it to me.
So, if you sleep, you go enter my pocket. They dig whether I go see money or not. Thunder go soon fire you. You see you? Thunder go soon fire you.
Brother, you're not going anywhere until give us money for food. You cannot go out there and eat only your own and still come to this house and eat our own with us. It's not possible. Come and give us money for food. We are hungry. Babia.
Maybe you dey block. Come. Your new boyfriend na cultist. Person where they take you newly now. Na capon for school. Who they give you the mother? You dey mad? I just swallow him. I go swallow him because of.
Now make this guy come out here now. Huh?
Open to the Jones. Open to the Jones. Na Jones. Why you go keep men waiting now? No, why you go keep men waiting? You want to spoil our runs?
Let me the matter now. It's a lie.
No, see timing now.
It's a lie.
See timing. See timing.
You understand?
Nah, no be those best.
Now why they para for me?
You dey fuck up.
They para for my matter on to say.
Nah, time for your matter.
I go run enter you now. I go run enter you now. Plenty bara. Make we sawa bro. Sawa nje.
Ona wawa.
Move vex.
People are wicked. I saw that I thought it was his
Yes. Hold down. You need that Johnson. Take your right. Go down. Hurry up, eh? Run.
I'm so tired. Hey, Mama. You're welcome. I'm so tired. I'm tired. Sorry. Oh my God, my son. I'm so tired.
Mama.
My son.
So stressful walking down from the side.
So sorry. I know it's very, very stressful.
That reminds me, Mama. Mr. Foreman said you should try and see her. Preferably today. She sounds very serious, Mama.
I almost forgot. Esther, Mama, please go inside. Get me the money I gave you yesterday. It belongs to a farmer. Okay, Mama. Go.
Mama.
Almost forgot.
Mama, I'm very, very hungry.
Hungry?
I need food. I'm very, very hungry.
You like food every time you are hungry. Try to be a man.
Mama.
Oh my God. What happened here? God. I hope they're not taking my money. Hey. Jesus! I can't find my money. Mama! 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 What is the problem? Mama, I don't know what just happened though. I can't seem to find the money you gave to me.
Which money?
Mama, the money you gave me.
What are you talking about?
I can't find it, Mama.
Why now? Why?
Mama!
Jesus!
Jesus! Mama!
Mama, don't do this to me!
Mama,
Don't do this to me! Fucking go down!
One, it has gone well now. The money.
No, I'm not happy. I'm not. Now, this is no go well. Reason now. Now, come on, we can't continue like this. Imagine the risk involved. Eh? This is peanut compared to the risk we take.
But Naka, calm down. We can only take what the street offers to us. Even me, I'm not happy too.
My brother, listen to me. Eh? When I take day in these streets, you should know now. Somebody like Obonto, Obolonto, Kotokota, I deserve a better life, my brother. But look at it. Nobody will kill himself. We'll be hustling. One day, bara buru buru, Oluwa go pick our call.
It depends on the number you are using to call Oluwa. Don't you get it? Every now and then we keep taking risk. Okay, imagine the risk we took now. Stealing that keke. Imagine if we were caught. They will set us ablaze. Now, will you die for such risk? It's not worth it now. It's not worth dying for. So my point is, let us upgrade this thing. If we are talking about robbing a bank or 300 million, it's worth dying for. Even if you die in the process, you'll be like, okay, you are a man. Not dying for kekos, taking food.
I understand what
Let's upgrade. If you people want to continue local robbery or whatever, I'm not interested. Let's upgrade this thing.
We understood what you're saying. But the most confusing part of it is that why would you be thinking about you being caught or not? What you should be thinking is that we'll go and come back successfully one day. Is it not? Hey, after all, today market paid well. Today business went well.
No bad. Why won't? Because all you do is drink beer and pepper soup. Do you have family problem? If you get family problem, you don't gonna talk this rubbish. You know my own problem.
What do you want, Mama?
They say you do okay, how much?
They calm down.
Odinaka, you have family problem, Since you have family problem, keep your family problem to yourself. What's the meaning of family? Why will he be talking about family problem? If he has family problem, then he should keep his family problem to himself.
My love, I went to your place and you were not there.
I am a graduate, but I can't even get a job. And my country is doing nothing about that. I'm in the street. Why am I even painting it good? Let's call a spade a spade. I am a petty thief. And my mother has refused to touch my money because she calls it dirty money. Now tell me, am I supposed to be happy?
Calm down, my love. Calm down. I'm solidly behind you. I am. Soon you will be at your best. I believe in you. I do.
much. What's up, man? Well, give me Benson,
I like that about digital.
Oh, okay, by standard light. Yeah.
Oh, by standard light. Avoid
Standards. No street.
Good afternoon, no.
Yes, so my sister. What do you want?
I want Coke. This one is too much.
Coke.
You have big one?
Where I have?
Please. Oh, this one, eh? How much?
120, 150.
Hey, is it 100 naira?
Bring now. This one is 120, but give me 100.
See why you are my friend, eh?
Hey, my bag! Hey, my bag! Why you look myself? Look myself,
Hey! No, Nadi.com. Why you not do like this? Hi! Oh boy! See! Powerful civilians for break my face mieke. Come on,
Why Benjona?
Only tie in your leg ni. Only tie in your leg ni. Why you go see when I streets now? If you don't have such in the streets, the first thing that will come into your mind when Mbangba don't land, so if you don't get time for your leg, Onyosa Abiola now.
But Charles, I swear I have it. One noble, there man me one street.
Come to think of it, Shuri Odinakani. Shuri Odinakani. Bishop says, I be this Yoruba way, the Shuri Odinakani.
Yes, in Ankonko.
Okay. Well, Odinaka never joined us since 3 days. Or haven't you noticed? I don't know now. No. But I put up one guy that. Confirm. I know say for this Zanga, for this streets, Oluwa must speak call. You know what's up? Come on. Make we disembark for today. As you be now, fire them out. If you know Waka. Here in the streets, we live on the doors of our death. No security, no good place to lay, no guarantee for a better tomorrow. But we keep living and waiting on the outcomes. Days turn to night, or good lucks. Nights turn to morning, or death. All we pray for is a better life, or a fair death. What a life!
One day. Are we there now? What's up? What about guys? I outside. What's up now? Yeah, cool. What did happen?
When I take there, no say this life where you see na journey no be race.
Okay.
And me, I believe say nothing with the chase, especially you. So if you chop, give your brother space. Yes, I go. At this point of both of us, we don't suppose they hide anything from anybody. That freshness where you come from.
I'm Robert. So he's here. Now
where this freshness they come from?
You see how Cecilia.
I think.
Oh. Cecilia. You see him. Now my brother, let's just say I've been the knock for one door since, you don't understand. But last the door bust open. New door things. I need to bring this money on. It's a new door things.
For this Zanga where me and you day, You did differently, they knock on one door way open. And I don't know. I just hope say that door will get blood inside them.
Only Rabbi Vede na moto ba moto. You see that door? I'm not send within the right for the door. I don't even see the door. Now within the inside the room be my target. And now.
I take there, As you don't choose to day on Kumkum without letting anybody know. No wahala. For me, I go see the barabara buru for street. One day Oluwa go pick my call.
What depends on the Japan now?
One day I walk a while.
Yeah. You do things now.
Alpha, you dey join body. I want.
No.
You know you join body.
I don't need to move. I want you.
I'll see you later. Huh?
Later, please. One day. Above easy,
All day one, mama.
See, see us today. If you one day for 7 days and they game.
Hey, no Bukwanya. All day one, mama. All day I know you're capable.
So I did it so.
You're
I was news about a man now. So I suspect the woman suspect you know they do meeting where they drink. Drink your drink, you know. You won't give us poison. Drink beer now.
Ubuntu Bolunto. Drink. Odinaka is capable. Odinaka can buy this place.
Baby. What's up now?
I don't believe things will change like this.
Now.
Chai, go easy. All the rara.
I take him now.
You're the best.
Well, you know, when I take there finally, huh?
Let me shock you now. Barman! In fact, close the fridge. Chai!
Or did I bust my brain?
Close the fridge. And let's now. As I'm getting lock the fridge.
That one day, but please, before you lock the fridge, bring more drinks and then lock the fridge.
Golden spoon. Overnight. Oh, stop it, baby. Stop it.
What they want, mama.
Oh my God.
Stop it. I don't do answers. When I take them, I won't know how it take happen. Say you begin to chop money anyhow. Because since childhood, where me and you they reach this level, my man, I never see you squander the kind of money where you squander today. So waiting be the secret.
Bobby, nothing be the secret. Na street we there, normal level, na street.
If you don't want to tell me something, no, you just talk and say you don't want to tell me something. You talk say na street. No be this same street where me and you dey, the barabara. Now the same street, now they tell me say, why you choose to leave me aside on this one, guy? Hey, Pio?
Wait, why you the para now? Why you the para? I dey ball you, I dey call you and give you money. You dey day, I dey make sure say you do alright. So waiting so I don't dey try.
No be the balling be the issue. No be the balling. Teach me how to fish. One and no give me the fish. Where be the hook? How they take hold the hook? Where be say this all this boat tilapia they fall inside your hook? Nah, I want to know.
Oga, I no be fisherman. You don't understand. If you are not comfortable with the way I'm treating you, make your own money and give me the way I'm giving you. Simple. Thank you when you teach you how to fish. Bad smoke, China.
Now, all the, you know they whine me, I beg. Which one be China? They tell you, say, make you tell me, I see they go for Zanga. They tell me, say, make I China.
China, give you clear now. Because they never smoke, make you the scatterism. China, give us.
On how you take there, That's all you want them, Abi. That's all you want them.
Bobby, Chagodanya first. China.
Kosi. Bobby,
don't want bell, give you clear.
Now, the buy your bell. Baba.
The one bell, give it clear.
Baba Budoka.
Okay. Mama, good day, ma.
My son, please come back. Please come and sit down. My son.
Mama.
I saw a huge amount of money in this house. And I am also aware how you have been spending money lately. I wonder whose money you took this time.
Mama, I did not take anybody's money. Every dime you see me spend, I made it. Am I not old enough to make money?
But it is clear to me, very, very clear to me that that money that I saw in this house is not yours. But in whatever thing you get your life into, let the heaven and earth bear me witness that I am not in support of it. That is all I have to tell you.
One day for 7 days at the game.
Hey!
What day one, Mama?
At the game.
All day I know you're capable.
So I did so. I was news about a man now. So I suspect the woman suspect you. No, they do meeting whether they drink. Drink your drink, you know. You won't give us poison. Drink beer.
Tell me something. No, just talk and say you don't want to tell me something. The talk say in a street. No be this same street where me and you did the barabara. Now the same street. Now they tell me say, why you choose to leave me aside on this one guy? Hey Pio.
Wait, why you the para now? Why you the para? I dey ball you. I dey call you and give you money. With the day, I dey make sure say you do alright. So waiting the song. I don't try.
No be the balling be the issue. No be the balling. Teach me how to fish. One and no give me the fish.
Yeah.
No matter how hard it may seem to be, no matter how hard, no matter how rough and tough the road may be, see that Jerusalem, go enter me. I go enter because one day when you over Kajim, one then. Kasi hindi na-ekili ka fame. For obodo a abụrụ gị igwe, m ga-atọ ọnụ ya to gym, finally.
I thought I dropped it here.
Mama. 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 Ah. You've been running around like a pregnant woman. What are you looking for?
It's none of your business. Leave me alone.
Mama. Mama, wait. Mama, please. Wait. In fact, take. Buy whatever it is that you're looking for.
Please leave me alone.
Mama? Mama?
Kill me. Kill me. I want to die. I want to die. That's the way no get money they leave. Kill me.
Impedu. Impedu. Improportionality. Shalom. What is your problem? What is your problem? Do you want to die?
No. My name is Obonto Obolonto Kotokoto.
Your name is what?
Obonto Obolonto Kotokoto.
Abona, because I don't want to listen to the tone. Do you want me to wipe you from the surface of the earth? Why did you approach my locomotive?
I want to work for you.
You want to work for me? Now, did I tell you I was looking for any worker? If you don't vamoose from my road, I shall do what? I shall crush you like the earth sand. Adopa.
You see that thing God in Academy do for you, eh? I go do and pass.
Do you know what you speak? No! Do you know?
I don't know. I don't know, but if you tell me, what you will never see before. I did this zanga the barabara bubu. As I the barabara bubu, no one will grip it call. Get us be now.
Get me pant. Used pant. Or pantenwodo. In agent, if you can get me a pantenwodo, I shall pay you 300,000 per pant. Can you feel?
Pant.
Ha! Used or pantenwodo. Okay?
But what if I get you 5 pounds now?
If you can get me 5 pounds, you turn a millionaire. Make sure that they are used pants. Why? Hey, I'm 1 minute. Come. In case you have your mother's pants, that will amount to extra money. If your grandmother's pants is still available, okay, amount to for extra money.
Say you no go bring up the only up, boy I bring up, and not that use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring up the only option here is I don't suffer no be small, hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as enough money, your life. Yo, whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make a take you. Poverty no good at all, you. Wazico. Now he make me enter this business, yo. Baby, your panty, boy, I bring
Wazico.
Not that use me joke.
Amaka.
If you say you no go bring up the only option here.
Amaka.
I saw your panty, boy, I bring up, and not that use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring up the only option here is baby, your panty, boy, I bring up, not that use me joke. If you say you no go bring up the only option here, I saw your panty, boy, I bring up, and not that use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring up the only option here is I don't suffer no be small, hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as enough money,
You kept me waiting for too long.
No vex. I was actually looking for clean ones, but I finally found one that one. If you are unable to make it 5 as I promised.
The dirtier the better. I will give you 2 million in agent. But mind you that the business but a business and a column, do you understand? In our tier 2 million. And we are a go encouragement just to encourage you.
2 million.
2 million.
What do you do with these pants, especially the dirty ones? I am curious.
What is that you call your name?
My name is Obonto Obolonto.
Obonto or Bolonto, I will advise you, give face, get me the pants and I shall begin to pay you more money. Concentrate on that. More pants, more money.
bring them not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring up the only option.
More pants, more money. More pants, more money.
I saw your panty, boy, I bring them, and not they use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your back to your life. As I'm trying to survive, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your back to your life.
One day, I don't finally hit jackpot. See, for this street, me I know say one day, Oluwa go pick call, streets go pay. And I tell you, I've made enough money. For the first time since man they for street, they bara buru. Oluwa don't finally pick call. I made so much money without stealing from anybody.
That sounds great, but how much is it?
For a tip of the iceberg. I'm figuring Zagunu money and about the one baby cool your temper. See, sir. Come on, no, sir. You want to touch my money? One baby cool.
Baby, your band, oh yeah, bring them. Not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your band to your life. I saw your band, oh yeah, bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your back to your life. As I'm trying to survive, I am hustling on the street every day. Your party came to my rescue.
Bam bam, Dalun no. Dalun.
You, whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make a take you. Suffer no good. As far as say no money, your back to your life. Baby, your back to your back. Oh, you bring them. Not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your back to your life. I saw your band, oh you bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your band to your life. Baby, your band, oh you bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your back to your life. I saw your band, oh you bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your back to your life. I don't suffer, no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as enough money, your back to your life. Yo, whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make a take you. Poverty no good at all, you. Now you make me enter this business, yo. Baby, your back, oh you bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your back to your life. I Answer your panty, oh yeah, bring 'em, and not they use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here is your hand or your life. Baby, your panty, oh yeah, bring 'em, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here, your hand or your life. Answer your panty, oh yeah, bring 'em, and not they use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here is your hand or your life. I don't suffer, no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your panty came to my rescue. As far as enough money, your hand or your life. Yo, but I'm not side.
What did they suck now? What did they suck? What was that? Eh?
Should you don't say you want for couple. Those people they for catch person.
What you concern you concern pants? What you concern pants now?
Oh mind me. I'm sorry, skip my mind. I for tell you what.
Be serious now. I resemble comedian. Be serious. What you concern pants?
One you see that market where you they go buy salt, where they put for your food, where they make am sweet. On the more you go there, go roast, go tatashio sensuka. You see on women now. I tell you.
Bunto. You finally met Chief Akuma.
When I take there now, so far say you don't know one day. If you die for. And when you go over there, Kaji. But then they kill you over the cafe. And if you this Zangana, don't go to Igwe. Come on, Rosia by Collabo. Bruzier Kaji. One day, go away back. I take one. Castro one. I took a pants before mother. We may go involved. We may go involved.
Castigo.
One day, you can go in the pants.
No collect of my water.
You no go bring 'em, the only option here. Your hand or your life. Answer your panty, oh yeah, bring 'em, and not they use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here is your hand or your life.
Hey, Jesus. Yeah?
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. That's my sister. No, I love you so much.
Mama!
Yeah?
When did you start hanging pants inside the room?
So you've not heard?
Heard what?
About the missing pants in the neighborhood.
What?
Why would anyone steal people's pants, please?
Yeah, they even stole Mama Nkechi's own.
Are you serious?
Even the dirty ones. They steal it. So I decided to be hanging it. That is the new trend now.
This is unbelievable.
Oh, you better believe it.
Is this calm?
Hey.
Are you serious?
Hey, I'm serious. Oh, Mama. So it's better we hang it inside.
Mama, please, let's go. We are running late already.
Yes.
Let's just be
Let's
going.
go.
We are running late.
Let's go.
Baby, your panty, oh yeah, bring 'em, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here, your hand or your life. Answer your panty, oh yeah, bring 'em, and not they use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here is your hand or your life. hustle no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as enough money. Your Yo, whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make you.
And these people melancholy keep me in the wait. There you are.
Hey,
huh?
Chief Chief. Chief Chief. Chief Chief.
No. Chief. You don't have any right to use up my time.
Chief, we are sorry. We're sorry.
Now tell me, is it complete now?
Of course. We have enough pants here. Hey, Chief, this is it.
Opante wodo. Opante wodo. Very good. So, tell me, who do I transfer into his account?
Dragini. No, sir. We prefer cash. We don't. In fact, we don't work with bank.
Chief, we don't go to the bank. Oh.
What are you talking about? Are you telling me that you're going to keep her 2 million naira at home?
Let us worry about that, sir. What are you afraid of? Kidnappers or armed robbers? We are in the same club. Just give us our money. Don't worry how we keep it.
Who will even thought of coming to steal from us?
Thief.
Orion Ezuri.
This is a total waste of time image. Tell me, what is the basic of the suffering? After all this hustling, the idea is for you to leave the slump. Look. See, I used to be in this category. Yes, of course, I was in the category, in the street hustling. But I did my best to make sure that I vamoosed from the street. And ever since I vamoosed from the street, I've been doing well. So tell me, how do you make so much money and you still want to remain in the slump?
Let us worry about this, sir. We were born and bred here. In fact, we have resident permits here.
Chief, this is our own Zanga, landlord gang.
Our lifestyle shouldn't be a problem here.
Of course.
Okay, very good. Very, very good.
This is our Zanga, where we the Barabarabu.
No problem. There you go. You can keep the plant. Since you're not ready to relocate to a better abode, whenever you are ready, you can bring the plant to me. When you have finally relocated to a good abode.
No, Chief. I beg, no vex. Please, don't be angry. It hasn't gotten to that. Keep the pants when we are ready. When you give us the money.
It's not that serious, sir.
No, of course.
Okay, I'll come and collect the money later.
Meanwhile, we can't keep pants now. It's not risky.
No, it's not safe in our hands, sir. I will come and collect the money, sir. Don't worry. I have your number.
I will keep the pants. But before you come to me, make sure that you have relocated yourself from this slump and find yourself a very good abode that will make a benefiting bird and a benefiting bird for yourselves.
Okay, sir.
Chief Chief. Make sure it is not a bungalow. Make sure it is a befitting duplex.
Baby, your back, boy, I bring them. Not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here.
Now for you. He cannot eat our money now. If he tries it, I'll kill him. No, he can't. He knows it. I will go and collect our money. If he tries it, I'll kill him.
If you say you no go bring them, the only option here.
Damn fool. For 1 week now, I've not seen Obonto Bolonto. What is happening?
Can't you see Odinaka stopped coming for a while? Obonto followed him. Maybe they'll find a better day.
Then we have to confront them.
Exactly.
We started this hustling together. They can't back out. Omoshilele now.
We have to confront them. We have to confront them so that they will tell us why they have chosen to abandon us. Yes.
One day, But you have to wait, let me finish my smoke.
You don't have to finish your smoke. You don't have to finish that smoke. Let's hurry and meet them. They must tell us why they abandoned us.
I'll finish my smoke. My blood is high.
You don't have to finish that smoke. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not happy. Let's go. Can you imagine? We started this whole thing together. Huh?
Hey, new dress. Ubuntu. Hey, God bless Ubuntu. Hey. Dress for me now. Check out that one, sir. I told you that one day, Oluwa will pick up. Hey,
Greeting, girls.
Hold it there.
How may we help you?
Please, we are here to see our friend, Obonto Bolunto. Confirm. Is he around?
Please, we are here to see our friend Obonto Bolunto. What for? What for? Sincerely, it was the two of you that made my brother a bad son of a good mother. A son that my mother gave birth in a righteous form. Yes. You guys casted your evil spell on my brother. Made him Oyentutu. Pickpockets. Okay, now, my brother said, no, I want to be a good boy. Let me go through that righteous path. You guys are here again to come and cast another evil spell on him. It won't work. It's not possible. Please, leave this place now. Yes, go from here.
You're lying.
It's not good.
Are you high? Did you take something? Did you take something high? See, if I hear you say a word again, I'll correct you with a slap. Are you mad? So you don't look face before you talk to people. Does she know how far we contributed in his brother's life?
Can you imagine?
Are you okay?
And we are telling you here and right now, our brother Ubuntu, not your brother, he will no longer be part of that your dirty jungle.
Who's this local fowl? No, who's this local fowl? Now listen, let me tell you, I can take insult from anybody. I can even take from Fanta or no Coca-Cola like you. If you say pim here now, I'll warm your jaw up. Are you high?
When you are done backing, get out from here.
Exactly.
Me get out?
Yes, get out. Get out.
Emieko, I should get out.
Hey, leave us alone.
Leave here. Say, get out from this place. Who is this one? Leave here, please.
Leave.
March on and just jump away from here. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it.
Go to your house.
Walk away.
Nonsense.
Please. Obonto Bolonto, our friend, Nege Muria, come and take Obonto Bolonto. Walk out on idiot.
See, Danfo, you have insulted, you have given me to the height of it that I cannot take anymore. What's the meaning of that now? You should have allowed me use slap and wake one of those girls up. Me, Eko, those girls are insulting me. See, Danfo. No problems.
Eko, you don't have to touch that girl. You and I know that if you touch that girl, Ubuntu will never forgive you.
Spare me that sentimental bullshit. What nonsense. See, if Ubuntu tries it with me, I go run and enter him straight. You know how I hate nonsense. I hate shit in my life. It's not a reason for the younger ones to insult me. What rubbish. See, Omo, don't make me vex. So don't allow me change it for you.
Eko, it is not about what you like or what you hate. Let's rush to Odinaka's house and confront him. Maybe he will tell us the new game they are playing right now.
Yes! Let's go. What do you, my man?
Mama! Get him.
Mama.
Mama, where is Odinaka now?
Is there God in heaven?
Has anything happened to him?
My dear, if you see my son, Odinaka, tell him I am regretting giving birth to him.
I don't understand.
We thought something happened. Guys. The way our magas pay these days, I swear, it's really incredible. All thanks to Chief Akuma.
All thanks to Chief Akuma.
You know, if I am told that I will become a millionaire within 2 months, I'll never believe it.
Okay.
Now look at us. Isn't it incredible?
Let me say something. You know, as we were saying things and all that,
of course,
is really ringing in my head.
What is it?
Guys, we've made money, right?
Sure. Plenty of it.
I think it's not going to be a bad idea if we should run down to some red hotel and shut it down.
You got a point there.
You know what, Skido?
My man.
For the first time in your life, you're making a positive point.
Oh, come on. You know I love good life, you know.
You're so on point. You have a point.
We have to tell the world, money buys all things. Back in the days where we buy granite and garlic to soak. It's not going to happen again.
Sly, Chief, if you continue picking and eating alone, you regret knowing me.
I'm sorry, Chief. I won't try it again next time. I promise.
Good. You can be on your way.
Thank you, Chief.
All right. You can be on your way now.
Bonsoir.
Good day. Sit down. You are welcome to my humble abode.
Boss, here is not an abode, humble. This is heaven on earth, so you should say, welcome to my heaven.
You have not seen anything yet.
Why?
Chief everywhere, Marama. But that's by the way. Is he your son? I mean the guy that just left. No. My family are not situated in this part of the chemistry of the earth.
Yeah.
They are abroad.
Well, the guy looks like the son of a big man, you know.
Guy fresh anyhow like today, brother.
Daily.
I picked him up from the street, just like I picked you guys a few months ago. And you can see how working with me has changed his life and his entire being.
Boss, are you saying you will go fresh like that one day?
I do not pick boys from the street just to serve me. I pick them up to change their lives.
Wow.
Can I lead you?
Oh, well, Chief, we are here to update you on the latest development. We've gotten an apartment, a good one at that. We've also opened an account. So please, transfer our balance as it is hot.
That is good. Jupiter will be a witness. That also reminds me. How come you have been bringing the same Opantenwodo from the same set of people? Why? Does that mean that all the women and girls in your vicinity has suddenly become little?
How did you know?
Sorry, sir, but I'm confused here. Did you test the pants?
I did not test the pant. Whatever I do with the pant is none of your business.
Chief, how did you know we got the pants from the same set of people?
I don't need to test the pant. All I want is pant or pante from different set of women. If you bring up pante from different set of women, it gives us the kind of money that you cannot imagine. So please, get me more opantenwodos from different set of women. Old, young, even expired women. Every opantenwodo that has touched the area is supposed to be touched. Is very, very good.
Right, boss. We'll do better this time.
Get me your account numbers.
In fact, I have the number of it. 007, Diamond Bank.
Take it easy.
Mama, your face is not bright. Mama, my good day. Your face is gone. What is the problem? Eh?
My dear, there is no problem.
Are you sure?
There's no problem. I'm okay.
Mama. Mama, please.
My dear, I am regretting giving birth to my son Odinaka.
Mama. There's not gotten to this now. Children of these days are like that. Mama, no now. No, Mama, is that why your face is like that? Mama, don't worry. Odinaka will change. Don't worry, it will change. I promise I'll always come to take care of you. Have you eaten? Okay, don't worry. Let me go and get your food for you. Stop crying, don't cry.
Baby, your panty, oh yeah, bring them, not they use me joke.
So, you have received the confirmation.
Of course we have. Good. Wow. Of course.
You have received the alert, huh?
We received the alert.
And one more thing will be inclusive. You both need cars. Wow.
Well, for me, it's early to buy cars. Yes, let's save up more money before buying cars.
Boss, let's hustle more a little more time, and make more Benjamins. And cars will come.
No. You see, your little tension is something that is driving your understanding. Let me clear you. At this juncture, in this business, you need cars. It will help the business, push the business faster. You understand? You all need cars. Cars. When they see you, they will never think, Yena Tota or Pantemondo. So the business is flowing.
Okay, boss.
No?
If you win,
I will tell my agent to contact you. Only because only there. No? Okay.
My sisters, are you not happy? I'm okay, but take it. What is the problem? What is it on him? On him with the problem?
We are sick. We are sick.
We are sick? As in both of you?
Aye.
Oh, Marisa.
Aye.
What is the problem? I thought it. Musica, you people are sick and you could not even tell me.
We are waiting for you to come back.
You are waiting for me to come back. You were waiting for me to come back. Don't you have my phone? Don't you have my number? So open and Cambodia. Yeah. Get up. Let's go to the hospital. Ngwa. Hey! What is this? You've been sick and nobody cared to even call me. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Huh? It's not Afoy. Afoy Amaka. And I want Anuro. Afoy, let's go. When we get to the hospital, I will confirm. Because you need to go to my number. Oh, this boy's not sagging. I will know when I get to the hospital. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Yeah. So if I didn't come back, both of you will be shouting, Afom. Get inside the car. Don't. Because I don't understand. Both of you. I will know when I get to the hospital. Okay, kind of man. Doctor, I am worried. What is wrong with my sisters?
We've run all the necessary tests on your sisters and we found nothing. Which means their ailment has no medical explanation. Never to worry. I prescribed some drugs that will stabilize them for now.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mama, good day. How are you?
Odinaka, you choose a path to destruction. My son, why have you allowed your urge for money to move your feet to the ground? Why?
Mama, must you condemn every move I make? Must you?
Appreciate me for once, no matter what. I'm your son. It's not easy to make money. Oh. Mama, it is not easy to make money. You see all I do as bad, evil. It's wrong. Appreciate me for once. I'm your son. And it's not easy to make money.
My son, I still want you to walk uprightly and believe that one day the good Lord will surely reward you.
Mama, I'm tired of this. Since you don't want to appreciate and celebrate my success, I will never step my foot into this house again. Stay on your own.
My son.
Mama, stay on your own.
Please, turn a good leaf and make peace with your maker.
I should turn a new leaf and make peace with my maker. Good. Where was your maker when I was hungry? Where was your maker when I was roaming around the street looking for a job after 5 years in school? Where was your maker? Mama, since you've decided not to celebrate my success, stay on your own. That's simple.
Yeah. Calm down. Okay, so, sorry. I used to have some medication, so you're fine, right? You're fine. This is for both of you. When you're exhausted, call me. Do not begin to wait for me to come back, oh. Are you listening? From time to time, I will be coming to check on you. And I'll soon take you away from here when I'm done building my own house.
Brother, you're building a house too?
Of course, it's no longer news now. What's the news now? Maybe you can get Pentecost. Very soon the streets will hear about it. Huh? Okay. So, Ngwano, let me get on with my activities. Okay? Amalisa? You'll be fine. Brother. You'll be fine, okay? Ngwano. Ciao. I need to go to the day. Alright? Run.
Ngozi, I'm surprised that this is our brother's new money. He's even building a house.
Amaka, when our brother used to say, one day Oluwa will pick all, I know it will happen. It's just a pity that our parents are not here to witness this success. So painful.
You think so?
I know so. I just pray that God should keep blessing him for us. That should be our prayer. I know. Amaka, let's go inside.
I want to stay here first, please.
Good day, Mama.
Rita, what can I do for you?
I came to see your son.
I don't have a son. Can't you hear?
Mama, I'm talking about Odinaka, my friend, your son. Is he inside? Mama? Mama, I'm talking about your son, my friend Odinaka. Mama? Mama? doesn't have a son. I don't understand. She even loved him. It's not around. I will come back. I will come back. Danfo, Echo, does he know what I'm hearing is wrong?
What are you hearing?
It's no longer news that my Odinaka and Ubuntu have made real money. Real cash.
You heard that too.
You did?
Yes.
Does it mean you are not with them?
They said the game chose them alone. So we're here, waiting for our own time. Show you a Lamborghini. Time. Show long Lamborghini.
Anyway, I just came back from school. I decided to come and see you guys.
I bet Odinaka does not call you.
How did you know about that?
Oh.
I have been calling him. His numbers are no longer connecting.
They got all the link they have here, except their money that is still here. The new money they made has made them to forget all the people they started with. Manabachoso and Guama.
Odinaka. Do you know where they live now?
Show long Landrode.
Rita! Mama? Come.
I hope all is well.
Yes. My beautiful daughter.
Mama.
Yes. I want us to talk.
I hope there is no problem.
No problem. I want us to discuss on that boy particularly called Odinaka. I want to advise you, stay away from him. He has no good reputation in this land. Everybody is talking part of him. Please stay away from him. Please, my daughter.
Mama, I love Odinaka. I am not a child. I'm an adult. I know what is good for me. Please, Mama, allow me and Odinaka to do what we like. Please. I'm in love with him.
Rita, my daughter. If okay no na wefu. Want to no woman will see her child entering into fire and keep quiet. Please.
Mama, please.
Stay away from him.
Mama, just please. Tomorrow will take care of himself. Please. I'm out of here.
One day, I don't know why my mom hates me so much.
Don't worry. Your money will make her believe in you. When you make excess money now, she will not have any other option than to believe in you.
You don't know my mom. She's not someone you can buy with material things. What's up, darling? Wow, baby, you're here.
No, I'm there. Even if it's a lie, why did he cut off from me?
Baby, it's not what you think. Let's go inside, I can explain.
I knew you would.
Baby, trust me, I can explain. Can we just go in?
Is it not obvious you have made money and have made new friends? Should I live with your past? Is that what you want me to do?
Like I said before, it's not what you think. I can explain. Alright? Let's go.
I'm still not happy with you. I'm not happy.
Alright, I'm sorry. Can we now go in?
So I just come now. I didn't 3D the view. I know how it be. But anyhow, so is you. The MSC Bobby and a room and so to rob by Kunkuma. No, no, is your
When did I have this kind of pants? Oh, new pants. Were my old pants too old for me to wear? Maybe he doesn't want me to wear this once again. I like the sword. It's so beautiful. It smells nice. That's why I love my baby.
As far as say now about me.
What's up, darling?
Oh, baby. Are you ready for work?
No, I'm ready for work. Obviously, I'm ready for work.
Wow.
I tell my never.
I'm a sharing.
By Alan Sharon.
I'll miss you.
Museum by Comiswa.
Baby.
Please take care of him all. Okay. Go well.
All right, darling.
All right, baby. Bye.
No, today is a beautiful day now. Come, let me tell you, bro. See, I have a different strategy today.
Which is?
Let's use one car.
Why don't we use different cars? I mean, Mogo.
Let's use one car. I will explain.
If you say you no go bring up the only option here.
If I carry that girl,
yeah.
No, she's so bad, man.
Was she waving for lift?
Wave or no wave, man. Opportunity come but once, so she don't miss this one.
Are you sure say she go at least at the back this one where you there?
No, we'll go down, man. I'm rush
Yeah.
And now.
Are they here?
I'll link up with you, yeah?
And now they use me play, yeah. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is I don't suffer no be so.
What's up, darling? Morning, how are you?
I love your dimples. Can I lift you? Please, just help me. Ebony black. Look at your fine, sexy dimples.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
So what's your name?
My name is Tina.
Tina.
Yeah.
Tina. What a lovely dimple.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
The only option here. I saw your body, oh, you bring up, and not that use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring up, the only option here is I don't suffer, no be small.
Cars bits. Are we there here now? What about now?
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make a take you. Poverty no good at all, you. Now you make me enter this business, yo. Baby, your body, oh, you bring up.
Jesus Christ.
Of Nazareth. Get down!
I'm going down, please.
Get down, my friend.
I'm going down, please.
Bring that bag here. Remove your pant. Fast!
My pant.
Shut up! Remove your pant fast.
If it's my pant that you want, I will give it to you, please. But don't shoot me, please. I'm begging you, please. Don't
Give me.
Baby, your body, oh, you bring up. Not that use me joke.
Wow. A well-furnished house. Beautiful cars. What could make Odinaka and Ubuntu this rich in such a short period of time? I just hope it's nothing illegal. Anyway, I will keep my eyes open. Yes. Nothing can be forever hidden under the sun. Nothing. I will get to find out someday. Yes. Yes, I will.
Hold on. Big size. We are bring and make a take you.
My boo-boo. You're back.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thanks, darling. How was your day?
I'm making him now.
Come on, you're welcome.
Thank you. I hope there's something to eat in this house.
You guys should just sit down and relax. Sit down and relax. I'll get you a delicious meal.
Okay.
Oh boy.
I'm coming.
Look, guys, I want you. Right. How many bags did you even get today?
I will count it later.
Where is the bag?
My baby took it upstairs.
Hey, Odinaka. How you go allow devil to use your brain now, brother?
Meaning, watch your tongue. Meaning,
Bros, you want cabin biscuit our deal? Do you know what Rita's tongue will do when she finds out what is in that bag?
You're right.
All those fish when they chop for soup or one and they go see. And the ones we lose guard inside water, fishermen them catch them. We could clear our eyes now.
Darling, sugar.
Yes, baby.
Please get me water. Hurry up, okay? Hurry, please.
Sweetie, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Hurry up.
back.
Uche, I have been thinking, where do Gibson and his friends get the money they spend on a daily basis? I thought they are G guys like us now.
They are G guys. Everybody knows that. But I think there is something they know that we don't really know.
No. I don't think so. I don't think so. I have been in this game long enough. There is no tactics I don't know about. So what are you saying?
So tell me, what could be their secret? Listen, it is obvious those guys are making it big. Can't you see? The highest amount we have picked so far is £500. How much is £500 compared to the money those guys are spending on a daily basis? Tell me.
I will confront Gibson.
Hmm?
Yes, I am going to confront Gibson.
How do you think he will tell you their secret?
You see, I once did Gibson a favor. I don't think he will turn me down. No. He won't turn me down.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
I have money. Enjoy yourself. Chuka the man. Chuka the man.
Hey!
Okay.
Gibson.
Okay.
The man.
Young Bob, man.
Hey!
Relax.
Gibson.
Join the celebration. Oh boy, come on. How are you?
Hi.
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 Gibson.
Yeah.
Hey!
Join me.
Gibson.
You're my man, man. Chuka the man. Hey! My man. Who is this?
This is my friend Uche. Uche, this is Gibson. Gibson, the real man, the one I told you about.
Oh, you're welcome once again. Yeah, I'm always a Gibson.
Gibson.
Yeah. Enjoy yourself. We have everything here. We have drinks, whatever you want.
Gibson. The money making machine.
Hey. Enjoy yourself. That's so sweet, man.
Oh.
Gibson. Chuka. It's been a long time.
Yeah, look at you, man.
Hi.
Man, shit.
Gibson the man.
Man, enjoy yourself. Enjoy. Hey! Yeah, it's good thing you are here.
Money is good.
Hey!
Gibson. I know I am not supposed to be discussing this with you in this kind of place, but I can't help it. Gibson, I want you to help me. Me and my friend, we want to be like you guys. We want to be big boys like you.
Chuka, you guys do what we do. How then do you want us to help you?
Gibson, it is very obvious that you guys are bigger and larger than us. Eh? Even the blind can see it. Gibson, can you just please do this for me for old time's sake? At least for the good old days. Gibson, if you can remember very well, I took you in when your people asked you to leave. Gibson, please, I will forever be grateful to you.
Please just do this for me and my friend. I beg you.
Well, Chuka, I will ponder over it. Just give me some time.
Gibson.
What's up with you, guy? But at this point, let's enjoy ourselves. Yes, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself, huh?
Baby, your panty, oh yeah, bring 'em over. Not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here. Your panty or your life. I saw your panty, oh yeah, bring 'em, baby, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring 'em, the only option here is your panty or your life. As I'm trying to survive, I am hustling on the street every day. Your panty came to my rescue. As far as saying I'm money, your panty or your life.
Sulai, don't tell me you're still on the like this.
Gibson. Gibson, are you serious? Wait, I thought you were even joking. Don't tell me you want to take those boys to Chief.
You know, you guys know how much I hate bringing people into this club. Or leaking our secrets. But the fact is, this guy has really helped me. He was the one who talked me into this business. So, I have to help him. I think I really need to return his favors back to him.
I am not comfortable with this idea. I am not. Don't you think it's necessary discussing it with Chief first? At least we find out his own opinion over this before we take further decisions.
Listen, Gibson. This decision you must ponder over. You have to ponder over it again. Because we can't have you bring in someone that will drag our heads to a knock.
Okay.
You must have to think over it again.
You tell him. We have to be very careful. Don't take laws into your hands.
Yes.
Gibson. Gibson demand.
You got the man.
Gibson, the real deal.
You're welcome. You're welcome, bro.
Gibson, the real deal.
Yeah, have a seat. You're welcome to my abode.
Hey. Gibson.
Hey!
Gibson.
Well, this is nothing. I am bigger than this.
Gibson, without wasting time, let me go straight to the point. We are here in respect to what we discussed.
Oh yes. Are you guys ready for this?
Gibson, you should know me. Gibson, you know me. Once it comes to money, I'm involved. I am always game. Once it involves the cash,
Once the money is involved, I am ever ready. Are we not ready?
Why not?
So, what are we saying?
It's alright. It's alright. My boss has agreed to accept your...
Huh?
Yes.
Hey! Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hey! Thank you, God. Mama, shake me now. Hey! Gibson, thank you very much. Bros, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I promise I will forever remain grateful to you. Me too, me too. Hey! Me too. Gibson the man.
You guys are ever welcome.
Gibson the money making machine. Hey! Yeah. We're going to be a big boy. Cruising in a Benzo.
We, not you.
Okay. Cruising in a Benzo. Hey! Ha! Gibson the money spender. Gibson the man. Shake me again now. Gibson, shake me again.
Oh man. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Jokes.
Yes, boss.
Are you sure that the both of you can handle this?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Do you have the heart that is strong enough to handle millions?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes.
Now, dip your hands one after the other into that pot. And whatever your hands feel, as soon as you get home, before you drink any water, dip each of the Opante wonders into your cup of water before you drink.
Boss, this pan smells very disgusting. It smells mud. Boss, we will do it. We will do it, boss.
The more it smells, the more money. The smelling of Pantemodo, the oozing of Pantemodo oozes billions in all its channels.
Thank you, boss.
Baby, your banty, oh yeah, bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your banty or your life.
Keep it on the floor for me.
Oh yeah, bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your bank or your life.
Bros, How do you expect me to drink water from this dirty and smelling pot?
Chuka, if you are not ready to be a millionaire, Chuka, if you are not ready to be a millionaire, take back these pants to Chief. As for me, I am ready to eat these pants here.
Say you no go bring up the only option here. Your back to your life. I saw your band to you. Your band. Oh, you bring up, baby. Your band. And not they use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring up the only option here is your back to your life. As I'm trying to survive, I am hustling on the street every day. Your party came to my rescue. As far as saying money.
What is wrong with you? Chuka. When you start making the money now, you not remember this shit, God.
It seems as if you have been drinking this thing before.
No, this is my first time of taking it.
Are you sure?
I'm busy.
They don't break. They don't break. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out now. Check it out, Uche. 150 million naira. I don't die. Hey! My guy. This money where he enter, he no go finish, amen. Hey, my God. Jesus. Oh, boy.
150 million naira.
This is called cash out. Hey. We are cashing out. We just cashed out. Hey, my God.
You are dancing now.
See,
bring that thing.
See this. This money where he enter, he no go finish, amen. We don't hammer. Hey!
Finally. Which car will buy now?
Guy. Hey!
Which car we need to at least not go pick one car tomorrow.
First in a club, babes, drinks.
Yeah. First in a club. Motor now. No drive motor enter club.
But you don't stress them. More chill out now.
We go chill, but we need ride. We need ride.
Hey!
We need ride. Chuka, we need ride.
Are you serious? How were you able to pick up such amount so huge in just a short while? 150 million naira is not the kind of money you just pick at once. Oh, lucky you. But do not forget to go back and pay your tithes and loyalty to your source, because you can be revised. You might find out advice. You can be revised. Okay. Wow.
115 million. Sorry, sir. You mean someone just picked 150 million naira?
Yeah. Are you serious? I'm sure your hearing aid was able to comprehend the discourse. You had it clear.
Are you serious?
1
150 million naira.
Oh, yeah. You know, outside your, what did you say you have? So you have a land there? What did you call it?
Resident permit.
Your resident permit. Outside your residential permission, you can make so much money that you begin to swim in the bosom of moon. And thank your goodness that I'm about to step you outside that residential permit. Finally, thank God.
Sir, we are loyal boys and we are always thankful. And trust me, we will still be grateful in future. Just teach us how to pick such amounts.
Joey, but if there's a place such an amount of money can be picked, could you find out where Jenny and you find out Banaka?
I don't, please.
Boss, please.
You know, when you tell a child that the well is deep, he looks at your face and says, is that not what I've had? I train some boys in what we call G+. And they make extra deep wealth.
Sorry, sir, I want to get this bit by bit. What is G+?
It is called Yahoo.
G+. Yahoo. So whatever it is, we can learn. Whatever I lay my hands on shall prosper. So teach me. In fact, teach us. We will prosper.
Of course. Just give us the OT.
Can any of you use the same hand to type on the computer? Can you operate the computer? With that your hand? Whatever he lays his hand on prospers. Can you prosper with computer?
Computer? Of course now. I went to school now. But just give us the OT. It's one time. But
I don't know how to press computer.
Maybe you go show us way now. You just teach us now.
Let me make it very clear to all of you, to both of you. Continue in the quest of picking up Antemundo. It will make you glorious. It will give you more money. And trust me, I shall make sure that your bank account will be flowing and overflowing. Antemundo is a good business. Forget about Akalaka. Okay. Anyway, so am I getting the 150 pieces you talked about?
Boss, it's death on the street. It's not a problem.
One of my own knows it.
Baby, your band, oh yeah, bring them. Not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here. I saw your band, oh yeah, bring them.
Come here. I don't want to kill you people, around your pants. Is it? Your what? The man? Come here. Where's your pants?
We're not putting on pants. It's not pants.
If I find out that you are putting on pants, one day. Come on, scamper. It's your small. Come here. Come on, Jantete. How do you survive? These children do not wear pants anymore.
Now you make me enter this business, yo. Baby, your band, oh yeah, bring them. Not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here. I saw your band, oh yeah, bring them. And not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here.
is the last thing I ever expected to hear from the two of you. I brought you out from the slump, believing that you will do well, with enough strength, and you come to tell me this kind of rubbish?
Boss, I don't know how to explain this, but trust me, these girls don't wear pants anymore. Everybody's naked these days.
Oh.
Yes, they don't wear pants anymore.
If suddenly all the up and downwards has disappeared from the surface of earth, then you should go back and continue to eat the money you already made. And when the money is finished, you can return to the slum. As I vamoose away from your presence, vamoose from my abode. Chief, do not shift me. Vamoose from my abode.
It's not like we're not working. The girls.
I said vamoose from my abode. No up and down, no business.
I don't suffer, no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as I know.
What do we do? I know what to do.
Then share it immediately. Oh, maybe.
When we get to the car.
Poverty no good at all. Now you make me enter this business, yo. Baby, your band, oh, you bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here. I saw your band, oh, you bring them, and not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your
Sir, please don't kill me. Please. Please, sir, please, I'm begging.
Go down. Remove your pants.
Sir, please, I'm begging you. Please don't kill me. Please, sir.
Remove your pants.
I want pints.
Remove your pants.
Pints, sir, please. Please, I don't get any pints here, sir, please.
Sorry?
I don't have any pints here, sir, please.
You're not wearing any pants?
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
You are not wearing any pants?
Yes, sir. Please, sir, don't kill me, please, I beg you.
If you move. Take. Wear these pants. Take, my friend. You're not wearing any pants. Fool. Fellow. Wear it! No, come back here. Come back here.
I'm begging you, sir, please. Don't kill me, sir.
Come
please.
back here.
Please, sir.
Come back here. Close my door. Close it. Be smiling. Don't make people know what's going on. Be smiling. If you frown, you're dead. I say be smiling. Be smiling. Go down.
Thank you, sir.
Pull the pant. Pull the pant.
Thank you, sir.
Close my door.
Baby, your band, oh, you bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them.
This new strategy is making sense. The day is still young. We've gotten like 10 pounds. Good business.
My brother, don't you think it's time we begin to think about what Chief Akuma does with those pants?
Is it necessary? It's not necessary. I mean, we bring the pant, he gives us our money. So what he does with them shouldn't be our business. After all, he pays us.
You're gonna talk about and I'm mother age in a go talk all you know. Why don't you shift that all? Take your mind away from the money and think deep. Look into it deeply on what this man does with those pants. Okay, have you asked yourself why in such a big city girls no longer wear pants? Are they not afraid?
It's simple. They are afraid.
So why are they afraid?
Wait. What did he do? No, wait. Guys, what did he do? Wait now. Why no one kill him now? What did he do? Wait. Why no one kill him? Okay now,
Come and stop that! Hey! Ogini! What uncle? What has he done?
Go see.
He's told ordinary this bag usually wear. What uncle?
Okay, we'll finish this one here.
Let's see how much he stole. Oh my God. What a blanket. What is this? What is this? Makeup and makeup prison. You guys are the criminals. Is this your bag? This is not your bag.
He snatched it from someone.
Please get up. Vinay, get up, my brother. Look at. Get into the car. Let me take you straight to the hospital. Thank you, sir. It will not be good. Unnatural. Go and get a job. Let me tell you something. Get a job. Nonsense.
Thanks for saving my life.
You should be thanking your stars. You know those boys would have roasted you alive and turned you to suya. What did you do?
Oh God, I stole. No job now. If I have a good job, I won't be a thief. No job. I have nothing going on. I need to survive. No job.
No job.
Please help me. If I have a job, I won't be a thief.
Tell me, do you live around here?
Yes.
Are we close to your place now?
Yeah, my house is over there.
Okay. I will drop you. And tomorrow, I'll come back by this time again to your place.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You saved my life.
No, you are just lucky. And what is inside the bag? Nonsense. Makeup. It's not good to be tapping from women. There are other good things you can tap from women. But I will let you know about that. Is this the place?
Yes, sir. This is our house.
Okay.
Well, thank you very much, sir.
See you tomorrow. I'll be here by this time.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day. Take some, pain relief.
All right, sir.
See you tomorrow. When there are lots of good things that he can do, instead of tapping a woman's bag, when you get there it makes a lot of money. What would you do with their bags? Their bags are often filled with some kind of crazy makeup. Mande China, Mande Kotongula. A young boy, strong boy, simple. What up on one pant, years ago, his life would change.
You mean if I bring pants for you now, you will give me 300,000?
If you can bring as much of pant as you can, I will give you 300,000 each.
300,000 per pant?
Per pant, and automatically blow a billionaire.
Okay, wait, I want to get this clear. What type of pant do you need?
Any kind of pant. Big, small, dirty, clean, so long that it has been worn by a woman.
Each pant?
Each pant. Every opantewodo is worth 300,000.
If I bring pants now, you give me 300,000 just like that?
300,000 per pant.
Okay, don't worry, I'm coming now.
Papi also.
I'm coming.
I don't suffer, no be small. Hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as saying that money. Yo, whether not the small size, whether not the big size, we are bring and make a take you. Poverty no good at all. Mama. Now you make me enter this business, yo. Mama. Baby, your panty, yo. Oh, you bring them, not they use me joke, If you say you no go bring them, the only option here.
Mama, oh. Mama.
I saw your panty, oh, you bring them, and not they use me play, If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is
Mama, oh. Mama.
I dropped it here.
Mama. 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 Ah. You've been running around like a pregnant woman. What are you looking for?
It's none of your business. Leave me alone.
Mama. Mama, wait. Mama, please. Wait. In fact, take. Buy whatever it is that you are looking for.
Please leave me alone.
Mama. Mama.
baby, your panty, oh, you bring them, not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here.
Oga, I hope you like this one. It belongs to an old woman.
An old woman? This is what I want. 300,000 naira.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Acha pants, listen, I promise I will get you more pants. Just don't worry.
The more pants you get me, the more money I give you.
Acha pants,
if you can be serious with more pants.
Whether not the big size, we are bring and make a take you. Poverty no good at all, you. Now you make me enter this business, yo.
Because you know why I'm so curious. I brought my sister's pants.
I brought my mother's pant. But what he does with those pants is none of our business. So forget about it.
Mama, please. Mama, please don't do this. Mama, please don't do this to me. Mama, please. Mama, please, we'll be fine. Mama, please. Mama, oh, Mama, please. Oh, Nemo, Nembiko, Emebadimifa. Mama, because Mama, because.
What is wrong with her?
I don't know. She has been like this for the past 3 days now. Mama, please, now. Mama, yes.
Have you heard from Odinaka?
No. Mama!
Eh?
Mama, please, Mama! Oh, Mama, please wake up, Mama! Oh, Mama, please, Mama! Mama, please! Mama, please wake up, Mama!
Hey!
Hey!
Mama, because Mama.
Odinaka!
Mama, please don't do this. Oh, Mama, please. Mama, please, Mama, please wake up. Mama, please wake up. Mama, please wake up.
Let's go. Let's go to the tower and look for Odinaka. Let's go and look for Odinaka. Let's go and look for Odinaka.
Go and look for him. Do you know where he lives?
Let's go and search for him. Go. Let's go.
Where do you find him?
Let's go to the tower and find him. Die! Let's go.
Did you see my wife? Did you see my wife? My wife ran mad this morning before my very eyes. So I've been searching for her all over the place. I can't find her.
Your wife ran mad?
I'm telling you. Hey, I've been looking for her all over the place. I can't find her.
What is happening? As I'm talking with you right now, Mazokeke's wife is dead. Not just that, the mat on which she was lying is littered with maggots. Stories of mysterious death here and there, everywhere.
What have we done wrong in this community? Why are all these things happening to us? What do we do now?
I am going to Chiolisa's house now. This is getting too much.
Please, you hurry up. Go and see him. Let's know what to do. I'm still searching for my wife. Huh? What have we done wrong in this?
What are you doing here? Sure, what are you doing here? You are here and people are dying in the village. Go out there in the village and you will see our people are dying. Our guests are getting mad.
Iche Okatu, I have not folded my hands on this matter. The chief priest has been working on it day and night.
It is not all about the chief priest working day and night. No, we are talking about solution, immediate solution. Do you understand? Now, listen, Ishiolisa, the water has got into our nose. And something has to be done immediately. If we don't do anything immediately, this land could be deserted.
Ichie, calm down, calm down. be rest assured that the gods of our land will not let us down. All will be well.
I am telling you, this thing is not personal. It is not as if it is personal. No, it concerns everybody in the village. Our wives, our children. Can you imagine that?
I know. But be rest assured, all will be well. The land will never be deserted.
Ichiolisa, as I speak with you now, my wife and daughter are mysteriously sick. As a matter of fact, the ailment has no medical explanations. I've gone to so many places to seek for help, but all to no avail. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do again.
Odili, I have heard much about this matter. My ears are very filled, and I don't want to hear about it again.
No. Let your ears not get filled yet, because you must continue to hear this.
Okay.
Since the king is not around, you are the next person to the king, so you are the one we must run to. Yes, because if you want us to sit down, wait for the king's return, it might become worse than this. We might end up losing our children, our daughters, our wives, and so on. You understand? So you just have to be hearing it. You are the one we have to run to.
What then do you expect me to do? I am confused. I'm so perplexed. I don't know what to do again.
I think we are suggesting we should consult the chief priest. Let us hear from the gods. Because this matter is already beyond human ability. It is more than what ordinary human beings can handle.
Ibe kalele mmadụ kalele ndị mmụọ. Ibe kalele mmụọ kalekwalụ mmadụ. Ibe kalele mmadụ kalekwalụ ndị mmụọ.
Thank the gods that you're here.
Yes.
I help the gods. We've been searching for you all over the place. We even went to the shrine. You were not there.
Yes.
I came to take some herbs for medication.
We can see you busy with your herbs. What he is saying is that people are dying in our community. Mysterious death here and there. Our women are dying. And as they die, not just dying, as they die, maggots come out of their private part. Different sort of stories, mysterious deaths.
And even in my own case, my wife ran mad before my very eyes.
Ibe kalele mmadụ kalekwalụ ndị mmụọ. Ma nke kalekwalụ mmụọ kalele mmadụ. Go home. I've heard all you said. The tears of the people have reached the ears of the gods. I promise you that in no distant time, this will come to an end. For the gods are not asleep.
Just like that? But are we not expected to do one or two things? I mean, to appease the gods.
Yes.
Ibe kalele mmadụ kalekwalụ ndị mmụọ.
Pants. What are these young men doing with used pants? Wait, oh.
My boo-boo. You're back.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thanks, darling. How was your day?
Come on, you're welcome.
Thank you. I hope there's something to eat in this house.
You guys should just sit down and relax. Sit down and relax. I'll get you a delicious meal.
Okay.
Oh boy.
I'm coming.
Nah, Alright. How many bags did we even get?
I will count it later.
Where's that?
My baby took it upstairs.
How you allow them to use your brain, brother?
Meaning, watch your tongue. Meaning,
Bros, you want cabin biscuit our deal? Do you know what Rita's tongue will do when she finds out what is in that bag? Alright. All those fish when they chop for soup or one and they goosey. And the ones we lose guard inside water, fishermen them catch them. We could cry our eyes now.
darling, sugar.
Yes, baby.
Please get me water. Hurry up, okay? Hurry, please.
Sweetie, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Hurry up.
My instincts must be right. Is that why they were acting strange that day?
Wow. Baby, you're here.
No, I'm there. Even if it's a lie. Why did he cut off from me?
Baby, it's not what you think. Let's go inside, I can explain.
I knew you would.
Baby, trust me, I can explain. Can we just go in?
Is it not obvious? You have made money. So, Odinaka and Ubuntu have been stealing and selling used pants. Oh my God! Wait, when did I have this kind of pants? Oh, new pants. Were my old pants too old for me to wear? Maybe he doesn't want me to wear this once again. I like this one. It's so beautiful. My pants! My pants! Odinaka! Odinaka! My pants! What is it? What?
Madam, two boys are outside. They said they want to see your gun.
Who are they?
I don't know, madam.
Tell them to come in. I would like to see them.
Okay, madam.
Go at once.
Where are Dunaka and Ubuntu?
Hi. Danfo. Echo. This one you're here, I hope all is well.
Where are Dunaka and Ubuntu?
They are not around. I hope all is well.
We want to see them. It's very important.
They are not around. Why not sit down? They will soon be here. Oh, they're here.
What's up, man? Are you guys welcome to our home? Our home, man.
They do that What's up now?
Odinaka will not come to see your house or take a look of your building.
I'm sure they are not rioting in the village. On the network, what is the problem? Smile.
Well, this one, you are like this. Is everything okay? I mean,
something is wrong. Well, Odinaka, let me start with you.
How can you have a comfortable home like this and you left your mother? Odinaka, is it good?
Listen, learn to hear from people before crucifying them. Okay? Do you know how many times I've called Mama? Mama, come to the city. She said no. Mama, I have a comfortable home. Come this side. She said no. Mama, will I force her?
The guy is the first of all, I'm going to money.
Odinaka, as we speak, your mother is lying dead. Odinaka. And the mat she's lying on is littered with maggots. Odinaka, kilo nshele, kilo worry.
Hey!
Guy, you serious? What you talk? Go and check it out yourself. Guy, what's happening? Ubuntu Odinaka's mother is dead.
And for you, Ubuntu, better you go home and check your sister. They are dying. Especially that of Amaka. Her case is getting worse every day.
Hey!
My sister.
Hey!
Molotom pafu gol your jaw. When it yabo you, it will pafu you. Molotom pafu gol your jaw. When it yabo you, it will pafu you. Opante mundo. Ika opante mundo. Eze ego na nyife nini. Udogu na chila enuku. Water. So look going to take you. To puff will be all your jaw. When it abo you, it will puff you. Upon Temudu, when it is odorless, it is empty. But when it oozes money alongside. Before you speak to Maga, dip that oozy pant into a cup of water. Drink it. Gulp it. Speak to him or her. And whatsoever you choose to tell, he or she. You hear me?
Yes, the great one.
We'll don't powerful again. Or your job, when it abo you, it can powerful.
I saw your band, oh, you bring up, and not that use me play. If you say you no go bring up, the only option here. I don't suffer, maybe small, hustling on the street every day. But your party came to my rescue. As far as say that money.
come back. Please come and sit down. My son.
Mama.
I saw a huge amount of money in this house. And I am also aware how you have been spending money lately. I wonder whose money you took this time.
Mama, I did not take anybody's money. Every dime you see me spend, I made it. Am I not old enough to make money?
But it is clear to me, very, very clear to me that that money that I saw in this house is not yours. But in whatever thing you get your life into, let the heaven and earth bear me witness that I am not in support of it. That is all I have to tell you. My son, it will be good you stay away from the street and seek a better life elsewhere.
I have shot myself. What have I done? After all my mother went through to make sure I turn a good leaf, I paid her back with death. I regret the day I was born. I caused the day I met Chief. I deserve no life right now. I'm finished.
Baby, your band, oh yeah, bring them over. Not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here, your band or your life. I saw your band, oh yeah, bring them over. And not they use me play. If you say you no go bring them, the only option here is your band or your life. As I'm trying to survive, I am hustling.
Wazico, what are you doing here? My sister. Wazico. Hey! I want more. Hey!
Not they use me joke. If you say you no go bring them, here. Your band or your life. I saw your band, your band. Oh, yeah, bring up, baby, your band. And not they use me play. Yeah. If you say you no go bring up, the only option here is your band or your life. As I'm trying to survive, I am hustling on the street every day. Your party came to my rescue.
Brother, just look at me. Look at me, brother. What have I done to deserve a thing like this? What did I offend?
Trust me, I'll take you to the hospital.
How can I be fine under this condition? After going to the hospital and taking drugs. And I'm still like this.
Say you no go bring down the only option here. Your band or your life. I saw your band, your band. Oh, yeah, bring up, baby, your band. And not they use me play. Say you no go bring down the only option here. Your band or your life.
Ubuntu, this is how you take care of the siblings Mama and Papa left in my care. Who knows what they will be feeling after wasting the girls they told me to take care of. But it is not intentional. It was not my intentions. Chief Angus Akuma, you are a beast. But I will show you a bigger beast by the time you do not undo what you have done on my sisters.
Why didn't you tell me what you were using those pants for? Talking to you. Why didn't you tell us what you were using those pants for? Why didn't you tell us you were using those pants for ritual?
Does it add to any time that provides timing for the world to grow? Does it matter?
Yes, it matters. It matters to us and to the world at large. You should have told us you were using those pants for ritual. Why didn't you tell us? Why?
I don't believe you can speak to me in such mannerism.
Chief, my mother is dead because of you. And only God knows how many people I have killed and rendered useless unknowingly. Chief, you are evil.
The both of you should vanish instantaneously from my abode before I crush you both with the fist of fury.
You are a liar! As you are, my friend, if you know what you have done to my sisters, go and reverse it.
Nothing can be reversed. Her souls and their souls have already left long time ago, now from us.
So I should go home and watch my sisters die too?
Those two sisters of yours make any difference? Do they? Pick up the newspaper, listen to the radio, watch the TV. Listen, every now and then, one man, one woman must go. Now let's leave the man aside. One woman and one girl must go. You know why? Once their pants are stolen, it's called a pantemodo operation. Once they're stolen, 1 month, 2 months after, they are gone. Listen, it is not new. You made your money. That is a pandeistic money. So go and keep it and enjoy yourself. If anybody dies in your compound, know that you have taken the...
Or are we watching this man talk nonsense?
listen well. You are a walking corpse. You are a walking corpse.
Vamos from my abode before I crush you with the fist of fury. Vamos.
Want us to fight now. But when you were enjoying the money, you never called us.
You both placed many people at the angle of death. Last time I checked, many are mad, including your sister Amaka Wondo. They were placed in a condition and disease that has no medical explanation.
Guys,
now you want me to come and fight for you.
Okay. My brothers, this is not time to apportion blames. Okay, let's say we foolishly adhered to his antics and instructions. But hey, if we do not join hands to fight this man, a lot of other people are under his shackles. And the end, I'm telling you.
Let me cap what my brother said. Look at it this way. You are not just helping us as friends. You are also helping the society at large. So many people are at the verge of losing their lives. Let's do this for the sake of humanity. Let's save lives. Let's free people. Please.
that man. Today marks the end of your iniquity. Choose between setting the captives free or dying here. Now!
Obonto, you and Odinaka, you guys are very stupid.
You see?
You know, I thought you were wise. You know how much I have utilized to prepared for a day like this to come along in my venture.
Listen, no matter how prepared you are, your name is not ever ready. Free your captives or die now.
You know, your stupidity is digging your grave one by one. Let me ask you a question. Did you ever pause to ask yourself the reason I moved alone? Despite the fact that the kind of money I control, without bodyguards? Have you ever wondered why I move around with so much money? You don't have brains, so you don't think.
Okay, shut up! Listen, we do not care to know. Set your captives free, or I will blow your brains.
Did you know that all this time we are here together, had it been that would have made more money for all of you?
I'll give this man, that's wasting our time here.
Leave you. It's there, wasting. And you are here pointing a gun at me. Well,
I said it now. Odinaka, I told you, you should have allowed me give this man 2 by 2. Hey! What do you want, Mama? Now he's a missing space. What day?
The man you are about to fight is not ordinary. He's a living dead.
Baba, we do not care to know. We are set to bring him down, and we will do anything humanly possible to do that. He has killed a lot of people, and I know he still have more to kill if he's not stopped.
Wise one, we know he's not ordinary, and that's why we're here for extraordinary powers. I want Chief down at all costs. I don't care what it takes.
I will help you, because the gods have lamented, or how that man has wasted innocent lives. Follow me. Enter. Enter to the river of the goddess of 7 rivers of Otobo Kingdom. Ndagede. Oro ko se ri. Isi ni si rabu n'ọnụ, nwoke ka ibe ya. Oka akpara akpakwa n'isi ka eji ekwe ya. Ndagede. world. You have been given the powers to fight anything or anybody. Go! Fight and conquer.
Lord, courage him. Lord Karishima, my enemies have gathered against me. They dug a grave for me. Lord Karishima, give me powers. Give me powers so that when the race standeth against me, then I shall make mockery of their show and turn it to a show of shame. Simple instruction. Get me up on Temudo and I'll make you a millionaire. And they got so insignificantly jealous. Lord Karishima, thank you. Thank you.
I said it! That's the point.
Only one mama.
It's only for a while.
Odi, what's up now?
You see one day for the thief and another for the owner.
Odi, there's no network in your face.
Obonto, what is the meaning of this? You took my girlfriend's pant to Chief. Now she is mad. Am I supposed to hug you or shoot you?
Evil shall prevail, but it's only for a while. The wicked man will laugh, but it's only for a while. When justice appears, the wicked man will fall. Vanity upon vanity, not you know vanity. Evil shall prevail, but it's only for a while. It's only for a while.
If I knew the outcome, I wouldn't have done that. But you know, say me and you, we're doing this together. You understand? Let's forget the blames because the deed has already been done.
Odinaka, what's the meaning of all this? What the hell is wrong with you?
Nas, calm down.
I don't understand now.
Guy, person wey girlfriend they close. You and I'm go begin na fried rice in the chop. No, what for you? That's what you did do. No, everybody. We'll sort them now. No class now.
Good enough.
Obonto and Odinaka, what is the meaning of this latest demeanor?
Free your captives, else you will die now.
They said once bitten, twice shy. Your destiny is to be picking up and down. Why don't you continue with what is paying your life?
We are not here to banter words with you. Okay. By a wawan. By important.
You see one day for the thief and another for the owner. The secret things don't you cry when
Has it gotten to this? Following me to my chambers?
I wish you know how prepared we are. Free your captives or die now.
You know why I'm taking this lightly? Because I used to be in the slum, like all of you, before I saw the light.
See, what's that sermon? The same slum you claim you came out from. The same slum you have destroyed with your selfish regime for what? Or you go, I'm not a patient type. That book you need now.
the wicked man will laugh, but it's only for a while. When justice appears, the wicked man will fall. Vanity up.
Opantemodo has limits.
Wise one. Wise one, do something. My friend is still down. Please help us. I don't want to lose him.
I never told you to follow him to his chamber.
Wise one, I had to. That was the only option. But that's by the way. Please revive my friend. I don't want him to die.
Can't you see that his soul has been taken away?
Huh?
What I can do now is to transfer his spirit into you to make you more stronger. Bend down.
Evil shall prevail, but it's only for a while. The wicked man will laugh, but it's only for a while. When justice appears, the wicked man will fall. Vanity upon vanity, unyachu no waniki. Evil shall prevail, but it's only for a while. It's only for a while. But it's only for a while. When justice appears, the wicked man will fall. Vanity upon vanity.
Stop dwelling on your failure.
I never failed. You made me believe I will destroy him. I'm disappointed in you.
I never told you guys to strike.
But you never told us not to strike.
Odinaka, let's talk about the task ahead that crying over spilled milk.
So what do we do now?
You have to go to his chamber. First destroy the mystic pot. If he appears there too, kill him, for he will become powerless as soon as the pot is destroyed. Get ready, for his days on earth are numbered.
Ahuma! Abiada wo nkili gale kilo dodo nyosu wasamu dike namba kamu libe kimo kai mo kozo I told you you are evil and the wages of sin is death. Ahuma! Odinaka! This is spiritual impotence. This is spiritual impotence of Papa Temodo. What have I done to you? I brought you out of the slump, sent you on an errand to Kijimate of Pantemodos, to make you a millionaire. And you come to destroy the powers that be. Spiritual impetus. This is spiritual impetus. Shave. You are evil. And the wages of sin is death. No. 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 Ahuma!
What is happening to me? What is happening to me? What am I doing? What am I doing?
Evil shall prevail, but it's only for a while.
Mama!
The wicked man will laugh, but it's only for a while.
Hey, Amakasoma, what really happened?
Thank you, God. God has healed me.
How did it happen?
While I was asleep, I felt something down here. Then I woke up. Everything was gone. The maggots disappeared. God, thank you. Thank you, God. God has taken away my pain.
You see one day for the thief and another for the owner. The secret things you do, one day it must surface. Yo, don't you cry when the things you do we come.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Was I mad? It's only for the while.
Was I mad?
The measure that you
Mama,
give,
my daughter. Mama, you see what I'm seeing? You might say I'm surprised my daughter, I'm healed.
You seem to have lost some place. Jesus, I'm healed.
Mama, I'm healed.
Mama! What happened? What is going on here?
My son!
How did it happen? Jesus! Lord, I worship you. Thank you. Thank you for setting my mother free.
My son, I am a man of God. As I was passing, the Holy Spirit led me to see you. My son, no matter how dirty your sins are, God still loves you. God is ready to forgive you no matter your sins.
No. God cannot forgive me because I killed my mother. God will never forgive me because I killed innocent souls.
Okay, hold it. Our God is a merciful God.
No!
Our God is a merciful Father. He is willing to show you mercy. If only you can confess your sins and forsake them and decide to give your life to Christ. Now kneel down. Now say after me. Lord Jesus, from today I have accepted to take you as my Lord and personal Savior.
Today I accept you as my Lord and personal Savior.
Evil shall prevail, but it's only for a while. The wicked man will laugh, but it's only for a while. When justice appears, the wicked man will fall. Vanity upon vanity, unyachuno wanikie. Evil shall prevail, but it's only for a while. It's only for a while. But it's only for a while. When justice appears, the wicked man will fall. Vanity upon vanity, unyachuno. for the thief and another for the owner. The secret things you do, one day it must surface. Yo, don't you cry when the things you do will come back haunting you. Yeah, hey, unyachu no wanike. Yo, it's only for a while. It's only for a while. When justice appears, the wicked man will fall. Vanity upon vanity. The measure that you give is the measure you receive. And I know what goes around must surely come around. Ikiji manyere madi beki kakeji kwa manyere ki. Owe unyachu no waniki. Yo, it's only for a while. It's only for a while. The wicked man will fall. You see one day for the thief and another for the owner. The secret things you do, one day it must surface. Yo, don't you cry when the things you do will come back haunting you. Yeah, hey, unyachu no wanike. Yo, it's only for a while. It's only for a while.